Do you possess a vision of how you want your future life to take shape? Are you inclined to invest more of your thoughts in nurturing that aspiration, or do you find yourself dedicating more time to contemplating past experiences that have influenced your present situation? Can you truly become the architect of your own reality? These are not mere philosophical musings, but questions that invite us to explore the frontier of our own consciousness. Picture this: a renowned neuroscientist, Dr. Joe Dispenza, standing before an audience, delving into the concept of remembering your future self. He talks about how we tend to wake up in the morning and return to our old ways of thinking, how we tend to become prisoners of the memories of our past and fail to take necessary action to create meaningful change in our lives. In order to foster the change we desire in our lives, we must find a way to become defined not by the memories of the past, but by a vision of our future. Dr. Joe draws the audience in with a captivating example. He speaks of tempering the emotional refractory period. The emotional refractory period is the span of time you spend reacting emotionally to an event or series of events in your life. While we are experiencing a strong emotional response to these events, we become less responsive to other stimuli. He proposes that by reducing this time frame, we can steer clear of instinctive responses connected to past narratives and our former selves. If we can learn to center our attention on the desired future and cultivate emotional engagement with it, we can actively shape the conditions that will transform that envisioned future into a tangible reality. Dr. Joe encourages all of his students to continually remember their future selves in order to be conscious architects of their reality. This concept, as unusual as it may seem, is not alien to us. We all have dreams and aspirations. We all have an image of who we want to be in the future. The question is, how often do we remember this future self in our everyday actions? How often do we take steps to become that person we desire to be? In essence, the key points discussed in this video revolve around the power of our consciousness and the role it plays in shaping our reality. It's about overcoming doubt and maintaining belief in our ability to affect change. It's about controlling our emotional responses to avoid being tied to our past selves. It's about staying conscious and connected to our future feelings to bring about our desired outcomes. And most importantly, it's about remembering our future selves and becoming conscious architects of our own reality. So as you navigate through life, remember to keep sight of your future self. Remember that you truly are the architect of your own reality. And with every action, every decision, remember that you are shaping your future. More information on Dr. Joe's work is contained in the links in the description.